Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we got a package from Australia. This was sent by Double Striker, as you guys know. He is a very good guy in the community. Very helpful and does amazing mod kits. So you guys can already guess what might be in this box. So yeah, the title will just be very basic, but you guys know I usually do that for unboxings, just so it's more of a surprise when you see it opened. So yeah, let's open the box and see what's inside. Very excited to see what we have in here. Okay, so I'm going to turn it away just because the packing labels are on here. So there we go. So lots of packing paper in here, packages very well. Okay, so on the very top, just making sure that's not got any addresses on it because it has a packing label on it. We have a kit. I'm not going to say what it is until we actually do the video on it, but there's the kit. Yeah, it looks like it has everything needed in there. Just gonna throw the packing paper on the floor for now, just for the ease of video. I'll do clean up later. Wow. We have the Dart Zone Buccaneer. Thank you very much for sending that. Put that down there to one side for the moment. And you can see it if I move over. There you go, you can see the things that have been opened so far. Okay. Then, finally, there's one last thing in here. And the Renegade. Very cool. So yeah, very cool. I think these are made by Dart Zone. It's either that or Buzzbee. We'll have to check my data for that. I have not kept up to date with all the information on these blasters. However, they are very cool. I can't wait to show them to you guys in a video. We have both as well, which is very cool. And we also have the mod kit, so I can't wait to show you what we have for the mod kit. I did talk about this in a video, in the past video, that I will be getting another kit. And yeah, this is that kit. This is said kit. Most people don't usually show the kit in just the form like this, but I thought I'd show you it first before I actually, put it together. So yeah, that's been the unboxing for the things from Double Striker, all the way from Australia. Thank you very much again for sending that stuff over. It's very appreciated, very much appreciated. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for the reviews on these.